Poor little sickie Noah. I'm gonna take his temperature here. Well, at least it's going down after some Tylenol.
Gone down a lot.
Well, his temperature's gone down a lot, but that's the whole reason why we end up not being able to make the Dugway video come out this week. So hopefully you enjoy this video that we did make, and we'll get to Dugway next week. Howdy folks, welcome to Terry Family Adventures. It's Dad, and today we're wearing your girlfriend's shirt, and we're gonna buy something new for the channel.
Terry Family Adventures.
Well folks, we just got home from the blue and white store, and we don't normally do unboxing videos, but this one is slightly relevant towards what we're going to be doing around here. So we went and bought us some handy dandy vlogger stuff, and we're gonna put it on the phone, unboxing video, see how it goes. It's a Bauer brand smart photography series, the ultimate vlogger kit. Hopefully this thing works out. We really needed a different microphone for dealing with the wind. I was looking for one with a dead cat, but let's see. I guess eventually I could install a dead cat. Oh, as we lose the instruction manual. We gotta learn how to destruct it. Oh, got all this stuff. It's a good thing we didn't lose the destruction manual. We'll probably be referring to that because what is this? And why do I need it? I don't know. We gonna find out. Apparently this has been returned because somebody is taking a bite out of it. Somebody was hungrier than the termites. So I guess we should probably look into it, huh? Oh, nope, all the important stuff got eaten. Oh, these are funny adapters to go over the light. Alright, got my phone. We got the destruction manual here. Kind of funny, I thought. The microphone itself takes a battery, and not even a normal size battery. But the light that comes with it is USB rechargeable. I'm slightly confused. We'll see how this goes. The instructions are just basic. Pop it all together, pop the battery in. These are shades that go over the light, so you can add some color, some quietness to them, because this light is loud. Bam! Yeah, I'm sure that completely blurred the camera. But so let's put it together. Alright, well, this thing is missing the phone action cam mount, and what was the other thing it was missing? There's two things that it's missing. Oh yeah, and the remote. It's supposed to have a remote so you can... Oh, there's the remote. Found the remote. Oh look. Found maybe? Found the mount. Good thing we really looked. For a minute there I was worried. I thought we were going to have to return this thing. And so, but no, we're good. here. And that's a remote. Alright. Alright, back to the putting it together. And this little, oh, that thing has a very strong spring. And I'm pretty sure, yeah. Oh, yeah, if I take, I'll have to take the phone out of the case. That thing is overstretched. So the phone that we're currently recording on doesn't have this big fancy case on it. So that'll end up being the phone that ends up in this thing for real. But we're going to go ahead and finish putting it together. You know, their lock washer idea here isn't a terrible idea, but it is incredibly hard to get it set up the first time. This is way harder than I expected. Something that's simple to be. And even then, it still kind of doesn't, I can't seem to get it to lock down in place where this thing's not going to move.
Well, wait a sec. Let me see.
You want to try it? Here, let me have the camera. That out. Did you figure out how to get that thing to lock washer down?
I thought it was going to be simpler than it's turning out to be. But this is probably not going to work the way I thought it would.
Oh, hey! I think I know how it works.
Well, no, because once you put this part on there, there's not enough room for this bit.
No?
No. But otherwise, yeah, that would be how it would work.
Where's the instruction manual? Let's see what the instructions say. No, the instructions say that I had it correct. So this won't focus on them. Focus. Enhance. Nope. It says no. It says it hates me. I'm used to that. Don't laugh at me. Yeah. It's hard to hold the camera and the paper at the same time. Yeah. And from there it doesn't say anything, so like I said, it has, oh, hi cat. It has to work as it's like a lock washer deal where you put, if you like two nuts together, it locks itself down somehow. So that comes through there. And then we got this piece right here. And we screw that on. And then just as tight as I can get it, this thing still moves. So that's the issue. That's probably why somebody returned it once. Because, I mean, nobody at the factory took a bite out of the instruction manual. So let's see here. Any like spare pieces around underneath anything? Since we found all those other pieces all hiding inside. You said there's not enough room if this is on there, right?
Yeah.
I've got an idea. What if they're in there the wrong ways? This one goes in here. Like this. And then it just acts as a spacer. Oh no, because then it won't even go all the way through. That's definitely not right either.
At this point, it's a question of effort. Do we want to purchase the parts we need to make this work, or do we want to return it again?
No, I'm gonna make it work. Watch this.
All right.
Stay there.
All right.
I love you.
I love you too.
So,
Good job.
Butterfingers. We're gonna find out if this little tabby right here might be enough to make the gap. Because that's all it really needs is like some kind of a washer between there and there so that it fills this gap so that it actually locks into place. See? Just like that. And that locks in. Now it's on there firm. So, if you buy one of these, you're going to need a pull tab off of a soda can. Slightly ridiculous, but whatever. Alright, let's finish putting this thing together. We're starting to lose daylight. And so we can...
The camera can only compensate so far for that.
Well, once we get this thing set up, it has a light.
Right?
And I accidentally turned it on. It's really bright.
Yeah, no kidding.
Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, we have to put a battery in the microphone. Negative, positive. Are you positive or are you negative?
I'm definitely a negative person.
You should try being more positive. I tell Mama that I'm positive all the time. I tell her it's HIV and I blame her. Oh, look, see, that went on fine. There's the microphone. The keys are cray cray.
Right?
Did you see that? That thing's supposed to have a protective cover across there, and somebody, this little tab, like somebody had, like whoever opened it before didn't put the cover back on. Like they pulled the cover off of that. Oh, this uses the double lock washer deal to tighten down. Or the double nut, or what do you want?
So the light is repositionable.
Yes.
Nice.
And the microphone's repositionable too. Like it's all supposed to be repositionable. That's why I kind of, I was looking at it, and it was kind of the reason I got it. Because it kind of felt like it done just about everything. As long as the microphone is of any kind of decent quality whatsoever, this thing's going to be great.
Well, I guess we'll test that out in our next clip, won't we?
Yeah, as soon as we get it all together, we're going to plug this thing in and figure it out. These are little color covers here. And that makes it a much gentler light.
It's still pretty bright, though.
Yeah, it's super bright. Let's see if we can change it up a little bit. Get some red, some blue. I wonder if we put them both on there, does it go purple?
Nah.
That way, no. Alright, well, I guess at this point we just have to take that phone, plug it in, see how it goes. Alright, I'm not saying that my deck is level by any means whatsoever, but if you take and you put this thing right between two legs, blind. So if you got one of these, you're probably going to have to position it so that one of the legs is directly in line with this big heavy beast there. I mean, granted, once the phone's on there, it's going to give it a little more center mass, but still, that's hilarious. All right, we're going to plug the phone in and do an outro.
And show the curious cat what we're doing.
Hello. Hello.
Well, the first test of the microphone. I wonder how it works. This light is pretty bright. I think it lights me up pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with that.
We might not have to replace the microphone battery for a while, though. It says here 800 hours, depending on usage and storage. That's pretty good.
800 hours on the battery in the microphone?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Minus the previous owner's usage of it, which they probably didn't get much out of it.
I don't think they installed it. I think they tried to put it all together and couldn't find the parts that were hidden in the bottom of the tripod like we found. So that's a nice deal. It lights me up good. It's like getting kind of dark out here. I like it so far.
Beam's
I don't know.
pretty wide.
We need to take and listen to this video and see how the audio on it works.
If it's better than the internal microphone, it'll be a worthwhile purchase. How much was it again? It was like $44.
It was $45
Yeah.
about after taxes and everything. I mean, I think you can order it off of Walmart's website for cheaper. Uh-oh. I said the bad word. We're not a sponsor. Ah!
Blue and white store.
The blue and white store. The blue and white store. But, all right, we're going to stop this video right here. We're going to take a listen to this. Obviously, you're listening to it already because you guys are time travelers. How's that make you feel? Go in the comments down below. Tell me how it feels to be a time traveler. Hey,
That worked.
Nice.
Oh, well.
Yeah, we looked really surprised, didn't we? This thing has a little remote, and it starts recording. We're actually really surprised that it started working. So, that's kind of neat. You can push record from a distance, and so...
Yep. You'll still have to touch the camera to turn off the recording, because I tried to hit it like a moment later, and it didn't work. Or maybe
I
it's
wanna
got
try.
to cool down.
And we're back again!
Yeah.
We're liking this little remote. We're loving our toy. It's probably driving you crazy because we're on and off and on and off and on and off. But you don't even see the difference in time between it, which is great. This is going to be fun to edit. But yeah, so far we are generally pleased with this product.
Except for the little stupid soda can
Grab
thing.
the box here. Say Bauer. I hope that's how you say their name. It's not bad.
No, it's Bauer.
Why you gotta make things difficult? I'm going with Bauer. Deal with it. Other than the little part where we had to like add the soda can thing to make a little washer, actually, I am almost convinced that there is supposed to be a little metal washer in there. It doesn't show it anywhere on the instructions or anything, but I'm convinced that there's supposed to be something there. Because this obviously had been purchased and returned, and we are the second owners of this equipment, which is perfectly fine by us. And so...
No, there's not a little washer.
I said it doesn't say anything in the instruction
It doesn't
booklet.
say anything in this instruction booklet
No,
either.
that's what I said.
You would expect them to say something.
It doesn't have to say anything. They're expecting it to be there.
Oops.
But it's not. But
Well-
we're here. And you're there.
No.
And you should go down there. And you should click on the like. You should go over there and ring the bell. And then you should pay attention to all the rest of our videos. We're having a good time. Bye-bye. We love you. And now it won't turn it off. Oh, it's